If you are starting a life coaching business and you think you need a fancy website before you can get clients or make money, just hold up for a minute. I have good news for you. Hey, I'm Bonnie Wiscombe. I'm a busy mom and a business coach for other life coaches who are feeling overwhelmed, especially by the tech that's standing between them and building their business, getting clients, and changing the world. I've been building businesses for over 10 years and I have seen so many different tech tools that it can be dizzying to try to figure out how to build a website, how to get an email list up and running, how to get people to schedule on your calendar and have it all sync, and then how to make sure that they're continuing to be nurtured and then finally to buy from you. But I have great news for you. Today, I'm going to show you the easiest, most beginner-friendly way to build a coaching website that works, isn't just a pretty brochure online, but actually gets people to give you their contact information and gets them on their way to becoming a client. All right, so the fact of the matter is the big mistake that most new coaches make is they hire an expensive designer to build them a big, complicated website. And there's three main problems with that. Number one, it's pricey, like thousands and thousands of dollars. Number two, they built you a website that's very complicated that you probably do not know how to edit unless you know coding. Number three, it does not usually have a very clear customer journey built in. It's just a pretty brochure where people come and they look and then they leave. You don't actually capture those leads and start them down the path towards buying from you, right? Clients get lost. Very often the coaches can't maintain it. And frankly, it takes a long time to build one of these things and delays the start of your coaching business. So I never recommend that new coaches hire an expensive web designer to build their website. The smarter strategy is one simple landing page with only one goal. And that goal is to collect email addresses or phone numbers from the people who land on your website. You put in lots of effort to get people to your website, this homepage. Now you want to collect their information. Why? Because statistics show that people will land on your website like once and then they bounce and they never come back. And if you're investing time and energy on social media or maybe on ads, money into ads, and people are leaving without giving you their contact information, that's a real waste. You definitely don't want to do that. You want to make sure that you get their information. You don't want them to get distracted with your About Me page or your blog page or anything else, just that one clear goal on your homepage. So how do we do this if we're not going to hire an expensive designer? Well, I'm going to tell you about my Coach Starter Kit. You guys, I've been in business for over a decade, and I've seen tool after tool after tool come on the market. I've used so much technology, dozens of tools over the years, and I finally found one that solves this problem in a really simple and really affordable way. So what the Coach Starter Kit is, it is a one-stop shop for all of your technology needs. It is a business in a box, essentially. You download the template. You have a basic homepage that's already set up for success. It has images and copy, and obviously it's not your copy, but you're going to see exactly how to drag and drop your own information into it. And then your homepage is done in just hours, not weeks or months. And it only costs a couple $100 instead of thousands and thousands. You don't need to know how to code. You don't need to hire anybody outside. You don't need to wait weeks and weeks and weeks. You can get it done in just a couple of hours. It's drag and drop simple, you guys. I'm so excited for it. So this is how it works. You build your homepage, and inside that homepage is the lead magnet or the freebie that I'm always talking about. What that means is it's something for free that is going to give your people one small tiny win. So you may say, hey, I'm a parenting coach. Are you tired of yelling at your kids? Download my free guide that's going to get you to stop yelling in one weekend. Boom, I'm interested. I put in my email address, right? Then they'll be sent to a thank you page, which is also part of the Coach Starter Kit. It says, thanks for downloading my freebie. Are you interested in coaching right away? Some people are. Grab my coupon right here and sign up for coaching right away. Then you also get access to a sales page that you can customize and a checkout page. So everything's already done for you. People can go from giving you their email address all the way to paying you basically instantly as soon as you have it all set up. Side note, with the Coach Starter Kit, you also get a free lead magnet template. So that means you don't have to create and design one from scratch. You just need to put your own content into this template and boom, your freebie is done. Now, once that homepage is done, what do you do with it? Well, you just share it everywhere you go, in Facebook groups, on your social media profiles. You DM it to interested leads. You give it to friends and family to share with other people. You say, hey, I've got this great free resource. Please share it with anyone who is interested in whatever you do and however you coach people. And then watch the magic happen. People will come, they'll give you their email address. It comes into your account, and then you get to email these people. Side note, the Coach Starter Kit also includes a 5-part welcome email series, because once people give you their email, you want to introduce yourself a little bit. You want to tell them what you do. You want to bring them into your world and warm them up a little bit. And that's what this series does for you. You don't have to come up with it from scratch. You guys, I swear to you, in 10 years of building businesses, this is hands down the easiest and most effective way to build a coaching business in just a few hours. Maybe a long weekend if you've also got a family or another job. You'll set it up once and then just continue to see the results as people come in, give you their information, get nurtured, and then eventually buy from you. So if you're already ready to get started, you want to check out the Coach Starter Kit, the link is in the description below. But if you want to keep watching, I'm going to show you a sneak peek of this amazing tool so you can see exactly what you get and just how easy it is to edit it with your own content. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Okay, here it is. Here is your homepage. So you see up here at the top is a header. It has one big headline that says what you do, and then a little bit of copy underneath that explains further. And then right here is that magic button where people are going to download your free guide. If you click it, they get a little pop-up. Obviously, you can edit all this to put your own copy in. They put their name and email address, click send me my guide, and then they are taken to the thank you page. So if you go back here to the homepage, you're going to see this little block that is basically where we connect with our audience. We say, hey, are these your struggles? Is this what you feel is a problem for you? I get it. And then once again, that call to action to download the free guide. I've also included a few places for testimonials, which are critical in really gaining trust with your audience, and then a little tiny bio so they know who they're getting this information from. If they are ready to book a consult with you, there's also a button to go to your scheduling link. So if you click that, it's going to take you to the scheduling page, and obviously you connect this with your own calendar and customize it however you want, but people can book right there from the homepage. Now let's go back to this freebie, and we're going to put our own information in here. And we're going to click send me my guide so you can see what the thank you page looks like. Here it is. Now up top is the part that thanks them for downloading your guide and to look in their inbox for it. But then down here, I've added a section that prompts them to purchase coaching from you already. Now you can remove this section if you feel like it, but I like it because very often when people get on your list, sometimes they're really warm leads already. They've been following you for a while, so you might as well offer coaching to them. If they say, I want this, then it's going to send them to your sales page. And I've created this for you as well. Again, you just drag and drop new text in here. So it says your own information in there, your own images. And then we've got a sales page already created with some more testimonials, with a little call to action about accessing this private coaching with you, maybe more information about you as the coach, frequently asked questions, basically anything you think your clients might need before being ready to coach with you. Now, you can include this again on the thank you page, or you can just send this separately to people who have already had a consult with you and you know are ready to purchase. Once they click yes, that they want to purchase coaching with you, then they go directly to your checkout page. Again, this is all customizable to put your own information in, but you don't have to link to any other technology. It's all built in here for you. Now, I haven't even shown you the freebie template or the email templates, but that's a good place to start so you know exactly what you get website-wise within the Coach Starter Kit. If you want to learn anything else about the Coach Starter Kit, click the link in the description. It tells you everything you would want to know. And you can also always come to office hours every Thursday to learn more or to get help if you purchase it and then get stuck anywhere along the way. I hope this was helpful for you guys. I know the world needs your coaching. Let's give it to them.